So this is the potato plant. As you can see, it's starting to change color and turn yellow. That's because the potatoes are almost ready to be harvested. What I'll do is leave this for a few days before I harvest it. What a sunny day today. Today, we are going to harvest the potatoes, finally. So, for the past few days, it's been drying down. And now, let's dig into the soil and see what it has. I'm just as curious as you guys. Going to be a bit messy. Oh, I planted baby potatoes and look at this. Oh, this is exciting. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. There's more. Is this another? Yes, it is. So there we have it. My successful potato harvest. This is amazing. So now, let's go and see how our other vegetables are growing. This is the tomato. As you can see, it's fully ripe. So I'm just going to have one. So delicious. This is actually from a stem of a plant that I just stuck in the soil and just continued growing. Oh, so good. But the star of today's episode is the peppers. They are finally bearing, and look at this beauty. It's already a bit ripe. And this one also is already changing colors. So they are growing wonderfully. We also have the chilies. The chilies are starting to ripe. And you can see how many chilies there are on the trees. So it's close to harvest time. I will keep you updated on these. So thank you for tuning in to another episode of My Plants. And see you again. This is so good. Oh my gosh.